Selam sorunca tamamdır. Hi Todd, this is a proof of life, and you see the lab of SNP Biotechnology. Here is the boxes, and this is the storage for the ready-to-use kits, and this is for Cody, and this is the laboratory, and this is the quality testing laboratory, and this is the preparation laboratory, and this is the work office. And these are the tubes that we are putting in, and it's the office of the molecular biologist, 3 girls. And here we prepare the goods, the kits, and then we prepare here in the cabin, and then we put everything in. As you see that the raw materials are here, and also here a lot of raw materials, and these are ready to use kits. And here also we have some again, so raw materials and other things, and you see that some chemicals we are using for master mix and so on. And we are ready to ship 500,000 tests to Cody in 2 days after getting the money.